Welcome to the Touchstone Smart Fireplace Pairing Walkthrough using the Touchstone Fireplace app. Remember, this app is optional and not required for standard operation. Open your phone App Store and search for Touchstone Fireplace to find our app. Select the Touchstone Fireplace app and start downloading. Note that this app will only work with Touchstone Wi-Fi compatible fireplaces. To confirm compatibility, visit the Touchstone Wi-Fi Fireplace Setup page or look for the Wi-Fi logo on your electric fireplace. Once the Touchstone Fireplace app is installed, open the app. Here you'll see your standard app notification alerts. It's up to you if you want to allow alerts, but it's not required for the app. You'll need to accept the user agreement privacy policy to use the Touchstone Fireplace app. I'm going to be using the Touchstone Fireplace app as a guest user here, but for full app functionality, we recommend setting up an account. You'll see local device and Bluetooth notifications pop here, which are important. The Touchstone Fireplace app uses Bluetooth to start the pairing connection to your device. Be sure to allow Touchstone app the access it needs. Click Add Device to connect to your electric fireplace. You'll see at the top of this screen the Bluetooth connection Discovering Devices. Here's where you connect to your local Wi-Fi network. Most Wi-Fi routers have 2.4 and 5.0 bandwidths, so connection should be easy pairing your fireplace. It'll take about 20 seconds to pair to your fireplace, but using the Bluetooth connection, it's an easy process. Success! You've paired your smart fireplace to the Touchstone Fireplace app. Once you've added it successfully, you can select Done. From here you can fully control all the features of your Touchstone Fireplace using the Touchstone Fireplace app. Thermostat settings, heat levels, display options, and the timer can all be controlled from here. If you plan on pairing your Touchstone Fireplace with Alexa or Google Home connections, make note you need to keep the name of your fireplace the same as what you intend to use with your Alexa or Google pairing. Selecting Edit in the top right corner, here's where you can name your fireplace. To pair your Touchstone Fireplace with Alexa or Google Home, just select one of these choices to walk through the pairing process. You can now start using your Touchstone Smart Fireplace with the Touchstone Fireplace app.